to get into the IFS, you need to be in the top 100 branch of the civil services. And for that to happen, you need to have certain points that others may not cover. And one of the points that I will cover would be bringing in my business knowledge into the world of UPSC preparation. So from Ainsworth matrix to Little's law to perceptual mapping, all these techniques will be employed in ensuring that you learn history better, or polity better, or geography better. And if you can leverage these techniques in the mains answers, I can guarantee that you'll be scoring at least 2 marks extra than you want to pass. The second aspect is again boiling down to the methodology of Harvard case style study approach, which I'll be again bringing into the UPSC preparation mode. And the reason is simple, because in UPSC, retention is superpower. You need to retain a lot of information. And third and the most important point is about the integrated approach of preparation. So in Misfits, there's going to be absolutely no nonsense of the capsule courses or Prelims 360 or Mains 360. It is an integrated course. Because if you want to clear this exam, you need to clear the exam in its entirety. You will not be given medals for clearing Prelims examination. You will be given medals for clearing Mains examination.